So Claude Design, which was recently released by Anthropic, just got a massive competitor. And honestly, I think it's one of the best alternatives out there. Now, to be fair, Claude Design itself is very competent. It's very amazing in itself. You can do so many things with it, and it doesn't give any of those AI slop vibe. However, it has one little problem. It is only access to a paywall, which means you have to commit to a subscription. So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to access an alternative of Claude Design, which is completely free and as well open source, and as well guarantees you the ability to use multiple models, which Claude Design does not. So let's just jump into it. Yes. So first of all, you have to come onto this repo here. Well, before that, you need to have Node installed. So I have these links linked in the description below. So you could either install it through Docker like this, or have it installed by clicking this button, and it's going to download, and you just simply follow the installation process. Now once you have Node installed and I've confirmed it, you just come onto this platform, which is the GitHub repo I have linked in the description below. Now, to be fair, this has a lot of capabilities just like Claude Design. Right, now to install it, you just come down on here, scroll to this part of it. Now you could either install through Docker like this by just copying this and following these commands on here like this, or you could just commit to the approach that I'll be using in this video, which is by running it through the Git source itself. Right, so the first thing you're going to do is open up PowerShell like this and simply just copy either one of these commands. Well, the first one actually, copy it as such, and then come back to PowerShell. Now I want this installed on my desktop, so I'm going to navigate to the desktop and then paste it on here like this. But I've already done this, I'm not going to do it again, so I'm just going to clear it off like this, and then simply navigate into that specific repo I am talking about, which is Open Design. So now that I'm inside Open Design, I need to make sure I have core pack enabled, right? So you can just run this, or you just verify that you already have it. So I'm going to verify it as such. So this specifies the version, and you have to make sure the version is 10.33.2 as specified over here as well. So once you have that done, you just simply come on here and type npm install and enter. Now it's going to completely scaffold and install it. Now one thing I did forget to mention though is that you need to have Node version 24 installed, right? My version is currently version 22. That is how come we are getting these warnings, but it's not really that much of a big deal, so I'm just going to continue on demonstrating. Now you need to have this copied as well. So once the command is fully set up over here like this, then you run the final bits of the script here, which is going to open the Open Design inside our web browser for us. So let's just follow along with it. So you just paste it in here like this and click enter as such. Now whilst that is going on, let me just open another PowerShell over here, another tab, right? Then just type in here ollama list. Now for this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to install Open Design and how to use it completely for free using local models or whatever models that you're looking to use it with, right? So in here I have a couple of ollama models installed here, some of them locally installed and some of them on the cloud. So the ones with the cloud tag, these 4 are not locally installed on my machine, but are from my ollama account, right? And these 2 are locally installed, right? So you don't need to have them all installed on your local machine to access them. So let me just go back to it like this. Now as you can see, we have a link here served for us, which allows us to access Open Design in our browser just like Claude Design works, right? So as you can see, the interface is just like you would expect it to be like Claude Design, right? So there are a couple of things you can do, a lot of customization you can do here as well. I already made a couple of tests in here. I could just delete this from here like this and start afresh with you guys. So the first things you're going to do is you need to specify what models you'd like to use. So I'm going to click on here. If you are installing this for the first time, you should see something like this already popping up, right? So as you can see, it would give you a list of some of the CLIs that you already have installed. Now in my case, I already have Cloud installed, and as well there are a couple of them that you can install as well, but I'm not going to do that at the moment. Instead, what I will be doing instead is by clicking this button, which is bring your own key. So basically I'm going to get my own API key from a platform that I am subscribed to that allows me to use agentic models however I want to use through an API key, right? So it could be Anthropic or OpenAI or Google Gemini or whatever. But like I had said before, I'll be using Ollama models, right? So you come on here, you click the Ollama cloud like this, and you need to provide an API key and as well select the model that you want to use, right? So what you're going to do is you come onto Ollama like this. I'll have this one to link in the description below, and then you click to the settings tab, right? Sorry. So this takes you to your profile part or the settings tab where you can create an actual API key. So you can, if you don't already have an account, you can simply just create one as such, right? So I'm going to come on here to keys and create a new API key. Now I'm going to name this open design so I can keep track of them and copy this API key. You don't have to worry because right after I'm done, I'm going to delete these keys from on here, right? So once you have it pasted in here, we're just going to select a model as well. Let me just select Gemma 4, 31 billion parameters, and let's just test if it's fully loaded up and is able to reach our Ollama account. Yeah, so it's saying connected, replied in whatever seconds that it took. So what this means is it's completely set up with our personalized API key, right? So we can go on to use it now. So this, no thanks. So this is the part where we're going to generate something with open design like we would in Claude design, sorry. So I do not want to generate a wireframe. I want an actual high fidelity generation, and I'm going to click on the create over here. Okay, so right off the bat it's asking for a couple of things to be able to get the precision that you are imagining in your head. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to provide it with a prompt of what I'm going to provide it with a prompt of what I would like to build, right? So just a simple prompt to test it out and just send it through like this. Now to be fair, I'm not being specific with this prompt and the details. I've not set up any skills or MCP. I am doing it completely from scratch with you guys so you can fully understand how it works. However, you can integrate it with your MCPs or skills or whatever that you work with in your workspace, right? So it's asking a couple of things from you to be able to generate properly for you. So I'm going to select the surface to be responsive, and the visual tone I like the modern and as well the tech utility, since we are generating a page for my YouTube channel. Now the direction, I do not want to specify one, so pick a direction for me, and well, I'm going to click the send answers, so it's going to automatically result to something for me. Now I'd like to also apologize for the sound of my voice right now. I'm a bit sick, so that's how come we're getting that. Now it says fetch field. So one way to debug is to come back here into the customization again. Apparently the Ollama cloud is not being able to, it's not able to reach the cloud. Let's see what could be the issue. Yeah, let's just stick with the same settings and then try again. So send it through and let's just wait. Right, so it appeared to be a network issue, maybe. So now that it's generating, let's just wait for it to finish. Now all that we've specified is what is being passed to the model to help it generate according to our specified preferences, right? So as you can see, some of the details that we provided is what is being used, and for the most part we didn't specify a lot. We asked it to decide for us, so it's deciding. So if you are new to open design or open Claude with, not open Claude, sorry, I mean Claude design, this is basically how it works. Now for the most part, this is where you select how the template should work, how the design elements, the color scheme and everything. So I'm going to select this specific one as it gives the modern minimal. So I'm going to select that and then send answers. Okay, so it's fully generated based on the vague prompts that I gave it. Now, to be fair, I didn't really specify a lot, so I wasn't expecting much. Basically, what I wanted to do was to demonstrate to you guys that indeed it works just like Claude Design. So I'm just going to open this in a new tab and you see how it works over here. So this is basically what I was able to generate for us. It's pretty decent, but it's not up to the standard that I would expect it to be able to launch this. So primarily you guys understand how it works, and I'm hoping that you're able to use it for the heavy liftings and for tasks that you don't necessarily have to pay for, right? So if this excited you, please leave a like, subscribe, and of course do not forget to leave your comments as to whether or not you encountered an issue or not. Now, one more thing though, for the ollama models, you'd be using the cloud model, so it means it would be deducted out of your usage per daily limit. Now before I started, it was already at 1.1 already, so that generation took about, let's just say, 1.2 or 1.3 more off of my usage per session, right? So that's basically it for this video. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.